Catalyst Consulting helps you in personally developing your execution excellence, quality, and productivity. It is assuring guaranteed results in its value added services. For an organization like yours, Catalyst Consulting is helping you to continuously improve your structure, system, and culture, ensuring competitive advantage and profitable growth. A warm welcome from R. Lakshmanan, founding director of Catalyst Consulting. Formata Career Counseling and Training joins hands with him to proudly announce an online workshop on 7QC tools, a workshop to upskill the participants in understanding and applying these tools in solving their day to day problems and achieve execution excellence, improved quality, and productivity. The key takeaway: understand what are 7QC tools, why 7QC tools are required, how to apply 7QC tools, the purpose and application with examples, hands on self learning session using case studies, understanding when to apply these tools, and providing you with Excel based templates. The target participants are corporate or company sponsored employees, working professionals, and employees aspiring to grow, business owners and CEOs of MSME, that is micro, small, and medium enterprises, professors, teachers, and college students, parents and school going children, consultants, and so on. The duration of the workshop is 3 days. On each day, we start at 4:30 p.m. and close at 7 p.m. The dates proposed for the workshop are 12th, 13th, and 14th of June 2020. All the workshop will be conducted through Zoom meeting. The fee for the workshop is INR 1500 plus 18% GST. The facilitator of the workshop, R. Lakshmanan, is a mechanical engineering graduate from NIT Trichy with masters in industrial engineering and systems from NJIT USA. He has over 35 years of experience in manufacturing industry and process and IT consultancy. He worked in various roles in industrial engineering, production, new product introduction, materials planning, procurement, quality, project management, and project governance in industry and consulting. He had undergone training in lean manufacturing concepts, business process reengineering methodology at Lucas Engineering and Systems UK. He was the project manager, business process reengineering, Indian projects for Lucas Engineering and Systems UK and CSC Manufacturing UK. He headed the quality assurance at printing and packaging unit. Browse through his LinkedIn profile given here. He has over 1 year experience in project managing SAP implementation in a printing industry. He ensured product and process quality, getting the site certified for ISO, BRC IOP, training in SPC 7QC tools, coordinating customers and system audits. He nurtured continuous improvement culture, won many Kaizen awards in national and regional level CII competition. He had project managed implementation of blown film and CPP plant for printing and packaging industry. He had undergone lead auditor training in International Quality Rating System and its linkages to ISO 9000. He has 4 years of experience with IT industries as subject matter expert, manufacturing, and senior project manager. He has over 3 years of experience in JD Edwards ERP project management and project governance. He has client facing experience in understanding customer need, pre sales, proposal building, requirements definition, business analysis, project management, training, and change management. He has worked as a teaching assistant in USA. He had conducted many training programs throughout the career, both in industry and consulting. He has developed course content for internal training at an IT organization titled Basic Manufacturing for ERP Professionals. He had well developed interpersonal and communication skills, having dealt with diverse professionals, clients, and team members at global locations. He is highly self motivated and able to set effective priorities to achieve immediate long term goals and meet project and operational deadlines. Vibrant team player with belief in taking positive approach towards issue resolution. Lakshmanan had conducted seminars, workshops in different forums and platforms. His consulting has benefited varied industries of domains, products, and services. The collaborative workshops, interactive sessions, and hands on experience driven sessions are his hallmark. Implementation of systems and institutionalization of processes have become his way of life. He is a frequent flyer to these industry campuses. Big names appear on his service radar more frequently. Contact Suresh Tyagarajan for registration related details and Lakshmanan for workshop related collaboration.